After 15 years of being a professional carpet cleaner, this pub is fighting for the title of the worst carpets I've ever seen. When we've done it before, we've been able to restore them back to as new condition, but will we be able to do it on these carpets? These really are very close to being the worst ever carpets. Who knows, they may be the worst carpets I've ever cleaned. We're gonna have to dive in and see what we can do. You're gonna have to keep watching this very satisfying carpet cleaning video though to see exactly what the results are. We're gonna show you the full process, we're gonna walk you through it, and we're gonna show you the satisfying results. Keep watching and let's see what we can deliver. Right, so this build-up is what they call blacktop. You can feel obviously it's hard and sticky. It is basically the sugars and the glucose out of all the drinks and stuff like that. So that's what happens in any pub, restaurant, whatever it is. Sometimes you'll go into, when it's minor, you'll go into a pub and you'll just see like spots and it looks like chewing gum or something. It's not, it's blacktop. So it just progressively gets worse and worse and worse. So it's always really deep into the carpets. So we need to break it down, which is what we're going to do, that's where the process changes slightly from a standard carpet to a pub carpet. Number one, you have to make sure you get the right solution, because the solution has to break the actual blacktop down. So you've got to break down the natural glucoses and the sugars and stuff. If you don't, no amount of steam or anything else will actually get it out. Even if it looks better, and the lady said the same thing, she had these carpets cleaned a few months ago, believe it or not, and they looked okay, but they were hard and sticky afterwards. So in no time at all, they were back to this. And that's the problem. They're not got the tank on the rotary, because we'll literally fill a bucket up, we'll put it into there, and as we pull that, and we've got the soft brush on the end, it's pushing the liquid into the carpet, and it's working it in as the brush is going round. So we'll do that in a second. You can do this on a commercial carpet of this grade. You can't do it on a domestic carpet. If you do it on a domestic carpet, the carpet's either going to stretch or shrink, and it's going to be ruined afterwards. But on a good quality commercial carpet, you're all good. So solution's all set up. We need one more bucket of water, but then what you'll find is we'll keep having to work ahead of each other. So one of us will rotary, one of us extract, but we're going to have to mix it up and just keep the machine full of water, keep this machine full of water. We'll do as we get around this worst part of the actual carpet, then we'll tackle the seats, because we want to get the seats nice and dry for the lady so she can carry on using them, all right? So this is all full, that's been done. So we're on the final stretch now. We've got just the right hand side of the pub left to do, just on the extract, and then the last bit in front of the door. So results are looking really, really good at the moment. The right hand side is the bit that is lighter used, which is why we've left it till last, but there's still some stuff to tackle there, and the bit in the door is certainly putting up a fight. We need to make sure that we get that build up right out so it doesn't get dirtier quicker and doesn't dry up sticky as well. It's got to be completely gone, but it's the bit in the door that is really, really putting up a fight. We've also tackled the chewing gum. We've had to apply some chewing gum remover on that, agitate the top and just break the surface so it will basically get in, and then we can remove it completely. The time's getting on now and we've got to crack on. So there we have it, we're all done, and I'm going to bring you the big reveal in just a second. When you do see that reveal though, drop it in the comments. What do you think? Was it good enough? Are you happy with it? Could it have been better? And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget, click the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a video, and you can catch more great on the jobs videos, behind the cleans to see what it's really like to run a UK cleaning business, and so much more. But now, no more time wasting, let's have a look. After 15 years of being a professional carpet cleaner, this pub is fighting for the... Just fucking threw me off. Back to as new. Fuck's sake. Sure, start again. After 15 years of being the... No, fuck's sake. You can feel, obviously, it's hard and sticky.